Hi guys, welcome to our session. Today in this session I will discuss about the quantities of materials required for the construction of a brick masonry work. Suppose if you take a brick wall, here this is a brick wall, the length of brick wall is 12 meters, the height of brick wall is 2 meters and its thickness is 0.3. This is a brick wall. For this brick wall, how much quantity of materials required? Actually, for brick masonry work, what are the materials needed? Bricks, cement and sand along with water. So in this session, I will discuss about the how to calculate the materials required for this brick work. Now before that, first you should calculate the total quantity of brick work. What is the total quantity? The total quantity of brick work is length 12 meters by height 2 meters and width 0.3 meters. That is equal to 7.2 cubic meters. For this 7.2 cubic meters of brickwork, we should calculate the quantity of materials. Now, before that, first you should calculate the quantity of materials for 1 cubic meter of brickwork. Whenever you find the materials for 1 cubic meter of brickwork, then you can easily calculate the total quantity of materials for the 7.2 cubic meters. So we need quantities of materials for the 1 cubic meter of brickwork. For this, what are the steps followed to calculate the 1 cubic meter of brickwork? Here, the total quantity of brickwork is 1 cubic meter. The total quantity of brickwork is 1 cubic meter. And the cement mortar used for this brick masonry work is 1:5. Now the thickness of plastering is 1 centimeter. The thickness of plastering is 10 mm. That is 1 centimeter. So for 1 cubic meter of brickwork and 1 centimeters thickness of plastering with cement mortar 1:5, the materials calculations is to be carried out here. The size of brick is 9 by 9 by 9 centimeters. The size of brick is 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters is the nominal size. Along with plastering, size of brickwork with mortar is 20 by 10 by 10 centimeters because the plastering thickness is 1 centimeter. Now, the volume of each brick is, along with mortar, its volume is 0.2 by 0.1 by 0.1, that is called 0.002. The centimeters is converted into the meters. So the total volume of each brick is 0.002 cubic meters. Now number of bricks. The total volume of brickwork considered is 1 cubic meters because we are calculating the materials for the 1 cubic meter. So total volume of brickwork is 1 cubic meter. Now number of bricks required is total volume of brickwork by volume of each brick. Total volume is 1 cubic meter. Each brick volume is 0.02 meters. Not 0.2 cubic meters. That is equal to 500 numbers. This is the number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter of brickwork. Okay. Next, what is the next requirement? That is the cement mortar. How much quantity of material cement mortar is required to prepare the 1 cubic meter of brickwork? That is to be calculated. Quantity of mortar is equal total volume of brickwork minus total volume of bricks. What is the total volume of brickwork? We consider it as 1 cubic meter. Total volume of bricks. How many number of bricks? There are 500 bricks. So total volume of bricks is equal to 500 into 0.09 by 0.09. That is the size of the each brick. So that is equal to 0.7695 cubic meters. It is the total volume of bricks. So now what is the quantity of mortar? Quantity of mortar is equal to total volume of brickwork minus total volume of bricks. Total volume of brickwork is 1.0. Total volume of bricks is 0.7695. It is equal to 0.2305 cubic meters. This is the volume of mortar, quantity of volume of mortar. But while constructing the brickwork, some mortar is wasted. That wasted is taken into consideration. So add 5% of wastage for mortar. 5% for wastage of mortar. 5% means 5% for this value 0.2305 to 5%, that is called 0.0152 cubic meters of wastage of mortar is observed. So what is the total quantity of mortar required now? The total quantity of wet mortar required is 0.2305 plus the wastage mortar is 0.01152, that is equal to 0.2420 cubic meters. This is the total net quantity of wet mortar required. Now it is to be converted into the dry mortar. So what is the required quantity of wet mortar? Required quantity of wet mortar is 0.2420 cubic meters. So it can be say it is a 0.24 cubic meters. So required wet mortar is 0.24 cubic meters. It should be converted into the wet mortar. How it can be converted? It is simply multiplied with a coefficient 1.33. So required dry mortar, required volume of dry mortar is equal to 0.24 into 1.33. Then it is 0.32 cubic meters. So this is the dry volume of mortar, 0.32. Out of this volume of mortar, there is a cement and a sand. What is the part of cement? Already we have taken cement mortar is 1:5. So out of 1:5 means 1 part of cement and 5 parts of sand. Here the required quantity of cement is equal to the total volume of dry mortar is 0.32 into 1 part of cement by total parts of the cement mortar, that is equal to 0.053 cubic meters. So what is the required quantity of cement mortar? Cement quantity is 0.053 cubic meters. But in actual practice, in the field, the cement is available in kgs or cement bags. So it should be converted into the cement kgs. By cement density is 1440 kg per meter cube. So it should be multiplied with 1440. Then it is converted into the kgs. That is called 76.52 kgs. If it is required in bags, it should be divided with 50. Then we can find in number of bags. That is 1.52 bags. Now what is the required quantity of cement? If it is in cubic meters, it is 0.53 cubic meters. If it is in kgs, 76.52 kgs. If it is in bags, 1.52 bags. This is the cement requirement. The next one is sand requirement. What is the sand? The required quantity of sand is total volume, dry volume of mortar 0.32 multiplied with 5/6. 5/6 means 5 parts of sand by total parts 6. That is called 0.27 cubic meters. Sand is also available in cubic feet. So it should be converted into the cubic feet. It is simply multiplied with 35.28 because 1 cubic meter is equal to 35.28 cubic feet. So it is 9.52 CFT. That is the requirement of sand. Now coming to the total materials required for 1 cubic meter of brickwork is, for 1 cubic meter of brickwork with cement mortar 1:5, plastering thickness 10 mm, number of bricks 500, cement 0.053 cubic meters or 70.52 kgs or 1.2 bags. Next, sand 0.27 cubic meters or 9.52 CFT. This is the material required for the 1 cubic meter of. What is the total quantity of brickwork here? The total quantity of brickwork is 7.2 cubic meters. So already we calculated the materials for the 1 cubic meter. For 1 cubic meter, these are the materials required. Now what is the requirement? Our requirement is for 7.2 cubic meters. For 7.2 cubic meters, number of bricks is 500 multiplied with 7.2. Cement 0.053 cubic meters multiplied with 7.2. Sand 0.27 multiplied with 7.2. Whatever it may be, we can be, whenever we know the quantities for 1 cubic meter, then we can easily calculate for the total quantity of materials for any cubic meters. Okay, I think you can easily understand this topic. Thank you very much.